Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4.
Okay, so that brings us to question number 9. Question number 9 is from solid state, which is a regular feature in almost every year in IIT JEE. One or two questions definitely come from this fairly simple topic. Let us have a look. If it says that if the unit cell of a mineral has a CCP array of oxygen atoms. So now since it is a CCP of oxygen, the total number of oxygen atoms per unit cell, that is O-2 oxide, would be 8 at the corners. So 8 into 1 by 8 and 6 at the face centers. So 6 into 1 by 2. So that makes it a total of 4. So there are 4 O2 minus, and now it says that the M fraction of octahedral holes is occupied by aluminium ions. So aluminium, as we all know, is +3, okay, and the octahedral holes will be equal to 4. So aluminium ions, because you all know number of OV is equal to Z and number of TV as in OV as in octahedral voids and TV as in tetrahedral voids is equal to 2Z. So there will be 4 octahedral voids, and out of those 4 octahedral voids, M voids will be occupied by aluminium. So there will be 4M. That will be the number of aluminium ions, okay. And similarly, if I look at the remaining information, it says that magnesium ions, that is Mg2 plus ions, they occupy n fraction of tetrahedral holes. So tetrahedral holes will be equal to 8, and out of the 8, n will be occupied by Mg2 plus, so Mg2 plus will be 8. Now any mineral must be electrically neutral, okay. So for the condition of electrical neutrality, the total positive and the total negative charges must be same. So if we now go about balancing the charges, so 4m into 3, this is the total positive charge on aluminium, plus 8n into 2, this is the total positive charge on magnesium, is equal to 4 into 2, that is the total negative charge on oxygen. So what does this give me? This gives me 3 4s are 12m, okay, plus 16n is equal to 8. And further simplifying this, dividing this by 4, I get 3m plus 4n is equal to 2. So this is ultimately the relation which we are getting. Now obviously you cannot solve this equation because there are 2 unknowns and there is only one equation. So how do we go ahead from this point? So what we can do is, as we all know that this is a single correct type question, so what we are going to do is we are going to substitute the values over here and then we are going to check for the answers, okay. So by inspection, let us say if I try to figure out A option, if I put M over here, I will get 3 by 2, okay, and if I put 1 by 8 over here, I will get 1 by 2, fine. N as 1 by 8 and M as 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 2. Fantastic. This matches with my answer. So A will be my answer. Let me try and inspect other options. If I put M as 1, this will be 3. And if I put N as 1 by 4, it will be N as 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 will be 1. So obviously this is 3 plus 1 will be 4. This is not going to be my answer. Let us try and inspect C also. C, M as 1 by 2, I will get 3 by 2. And N as 1 by 2, I will get 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 2, 3 by 2 plus 2 will not be 2. Again, this will be wrong. Similarly, you can check for D also. So the correct answer will be A. Thank you.